Hello, this is Joseph, and I'm just doing a quick progress video on what I've been up to because a lot of stuff I haven't been posting on forums, said I've just been working on it. So, currently, I'll just show what I got as of now. If I click play, got like a menu screen, game mode. This is what it actually is, and if you click on players to choose what we want, we have like one, and then it changes right there, so you always know what it's on. So let's change that to 2 for now. Game mode's default set to default because we have a default mode there. There's also zombies and race. Currently I've been working on race, so I'll just show that off, and then you can just click start game. It will load, it'll do the classic GM pre-game, and then it puts you in game where you can finally move. The other controller can also move. If I move that, and the objective in the race is to get to the goal, so you can just do some parkour here, get to there, and then boom, and once you get there you are respawned, and then it shows that your team has scored a point basically. If you do it again, it'll update to 2 now. If I go into the controller and get a score, it'll say the red team has scored 1 if everything goes, and then they respawned as well. And if I quickly get to 3 scores, then the whole game can end, will show up, and then blue team has won, and then it'll go into post game where it puts you back into the menu. So I'm just gonna quickly show that the other ones also work. If I put 4 there and zombies, it should load up with 4 screens and GM zombies running in on the zombies map. We have all spawned here, and then it put, because in that game mode it's just on a cycle right now. If I quickly go on to the race and see some stuff I've done, so the end goal is this. What happens is when the players collided, it gets the player, it gets what team they're in, it prints, just debugging, gets the score, well, because that's stored, I'm pretty sure this is stored in the player, which is also shot. Yeah, it's just set there, and then you can also get it just like with the team. So I just copied that whole function over to that. Then in the that's the respawn function. Okay, check score. Before it was add score, but then I found it was better off just to make the whole adding of the score in the goal instead of in the game mode, because it made it complicated. So in the score, it's just added. I mean, no, it's just it checks it, so and it prints out what it is. Then it checks if it's over 3, and if it isn't, it just respawns, which just gets all the actors, all the base characters, then gets their teams, and then spawns it back where they are. I tried to do a function here where the player's movement is stopped for like 2 seconds, and then after that, after that they can run. But that doesn't work. It for some reason bugs out with the first character. I don't know why. But anyways, when it goes into post game, it shows what team has won, which is likely the team that's from there. That's one because that's the last. That's the last one to be set, and that's set. And then it removes all the players, and then it opens a main menu. This was like the whole switching between modes as it's shown in the videos, anyways. And keeps track of players, prints what game mode it is. In UI, there's nothing too interesting in UI apart from the animations and all that setting the game mode alias, and then in the project settings, if I'm correct, mode, yep, it's all set right here, so that race will get to GM race and all that. Different ones will go into the different ones. That's that. And in here already shown, controller just has team and score. I tried to do it in the game mode controller as well, but the controller one didn't work. Should probably remove that. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Uh, I'll try and get this to work probably tomorrow, but I want to try and add the other game modes. So try and add something to the zombies game mode now. Probably get some UI working and find a way to eliminate them and add score to the player. So yeah, that's where I'm at now.